Chapter number 9 is one of the most important concepts in finance. But fortunately, it's a topic that you people took an entire course on earlier. And that course would have been your BMAT class. So time value of money, calculating present value and future value, with a special emphasis on present value, which is mainly used in finance. So we're going to talk about the concept of time value money, which is adding and subtracting interest, depending if you're moving forward or moving backward. We're going to talk about present value, future value, annuities, just as a refresher from your BMAT class. We're going to talk about the yield or the interest rate, and we're going to calculate single amounts today, in the future, and again, annuities, just as a refresher. We're also going to do Excel, and we're going to use the present value and future value functions within Excel, not just type the formula into the spreadsheet. And I'll have a separate presentation on that. We remember the interest formulas from before, from our BMAT class, or at least how to put them into your calculator. On your assignment and your midterm, you're welcome to use your calculator. On the assignment that's Excel-based, you must plug in the formulas properly to Excel. Use PV, etc. And I'll show you how to do that in a separate recording. Annuity. Annuity is, as you can see, a stream or series of equal payments. They're also equidistant in time. So in other words, you have a monthly loan payment. That's an annuity for a set period of time. If it's not for a set period of time, or it's for an infinite period of time, that is called a perpetuity. You always assume the payments are at the end of the period, unless, as you can see, it states or says otherwise. That would be an annuity due. So you would all have to change your calculator to begin mode from end mode, or in Excel, you change the 0 to the 1 or the 1 to the 0, depending on which way you're going. Perpetuities, you simply take the payment and you divide it by the interest rate. There's no Excel function for that except plugging in the formula or doing it on your calculator. You have the formulas for annuities. With growth, we really don't deal with that very much. So that's a minor point. Just using the formulas. Excel does not do this. You'd have to manually take the formula, put it in to Excel or into your calculator. And that's the end of time value of money. And we'll go on to doing some examples.